Okay, I'm going to show you how I make my jerky. I'm not going to show you the recipe, but I'm going to show you the cool ways that I make it. First you need jerky cannon. Google it. You can find them. Handy jar with your secret mix. An electric mixer. A pot that will hold your meat. This is 4.5 pounds of meat. Get your sauce. Pour into the meat. Get your mixer and mix it well. When you get done, your meat should be the consistency of a paste. Try to get all the original little hamburger swirls mixed up. Make sure there's no standing liquid. From here, I'll bring it over to the dehydrator. Get your jerky cannon, which I have modified my tip to be thicker so I can get more meat. This is not the original tip. The original tip to come with it was too thin. This tip actually comes from a jerky gun that you buy at Walmart. It's a little plastic miniature model of this. Fill your cannon up. Top on. I have a cake turner. You turn a cake on and decorate. I have a little small rubber mat here because the trays will slide on the plastic. So get it on there evenly. Don't use the trigger. I don't use the trigger. It's too slow. Just push the back. Get it started from the outside and give it a good push. It'll turn the tray and you spiral all the way in. One tray, next tray. Get it packed down in there good. You want enough to fill up the whole tray, which I didn't have quite enough in there for that tray. cap back on. Next one, here we go. That tray's done. Now you just keep doing that for every tray. Then you add your spices if you like, which this is going to be a batch of hot, so I'll put cayenne pepper all over it. And once it gets cooked about 6 hours, this meat is 93.7. That's 93% lean, 7% fat. And it will yield 3 10-ounce bags of jerky. And 6 hours with the dehydrator seems to be the optimal time to make it as tough as it can be without being brittle. Hope you've learned something. Thanks.